Young Turks brought to you by Busted Tees. Go to bustedtees.com and enter promo code Young Turks to get 10% off your order. 2 dogs in Japan, 1 dog is injured, and another dog is basically comforting it.
Yeah, it's incredibly sweet.
Yeah, so let's watch the video.
As the search continues in Japan for survivors from last week's earthquake and tsunami, reminders that the reality of the devastation reaches beyond mankind. Rescue efforts include the pets in Japan, like this dog, who refused to leave his friend, an injured dog. After about an hour, rescuers finally calmed him down enough to leave the side of his fellow canine friend. The weaker one is now at a veterinary clinic, while the dog who stood guard is being cared for at a shelter. For Today.com, I'm Dara Brown.
Man, there's something about these kind of videos and things. Like, it always, like, I don't know, touches my heart for some reason.
Totally. It bothers me, the dog at the end, the one that's the standing guard dog, like the way he's shivering at the end, like he's so scared. Like they get so scared.
What is it about dogs that just, for some reason, reaches the core of people? Like, for instance, we did a story about, you know, one dog that was basically guarding the gravesite of its owner.
Yeah.
Okay, and it was just the saddest picture in the world. It literally brought me to tears.
Well, they're incredibly loyal.
They're so loyal and innocent and just in need of your love. And I think that's why people become so attached to dogs.
Yeah, look at him shivering. He's so scared. Like, because, you know, and you forget everything he knew and had is gone. Like his people are gone, hopefully okay, but they're gone. Mm-hmm. The house, everything, you know, and they're like, yeah, it's a stereotype because it's true. They're incredibly loyal, they're incredibly patient, and they want to be with us.
They want to be loved.
Yeah, they want to be where you are.
Yeah, and they need to be nurtured. They need to be protected. Like they're just very needy, but not, you know, in an annoying way. They're needy in like
not like
this
a girl.
Sweet way. Not like a girl.
Right.
If you're looking for a cool t-shirt, all you have to do is go to bustedtees.com. Pop culture, politics, science fiction. Some of their t-shirts have been featured in movies like Knocked Up and in television shows like Scrubs. Their shirts are made in the United States and they're sweatshop free. So if you want to pick up one of these snazzy tees, all you have to do is go to bustedtees.com, enter promo code Young Turks, and you get 10% off your order.